Hey, and welcome back to our channel, where each week we provide you with information that will get you thinking. In this video, we'll look at some of the most dangerous creatures to humans on the Earth. You might be startled by some of the creatures that made the list, which is based on statistics on the deaths these animals have caused globally. Our planet is home to a diverse range of living creatures. However, some of them are known to cause lethal harm to humans. In this video, we will take a look at the top 10 deadliest animals to humans. 1. Hippopotamus, Hippopotamus amphibius, 500 deaths per year. The biggest should come first, then the smallest and most dangerous. When you think of threatening African wildlife, lions may come to mind, and you might be correct. In reality, hippopotamuses kill a lot more people every year. Hippos are hazardous land creatures that kill 500 people every year on average, as opposed to only 22 for lions. This is because they frequently charge at boats and capsize them and are quite territorial and aggressive. The animals then either kill the passengers themselves or drown them. With an average male weight of 1,500 kilograms and large, nasty feces, it is an animal you definitely wouldn't want to meet face-to-face with. 2. Elephants, Elephantidae family, 500 deaths per year. Elephants can be dangerous even though we may think of them as kind, considerate animals. They are the largest living terrestrial creatures, which contributes to their sheer size and weight. Elephants are coming into contact with people more and more frequently as a result of habitat degradation and advancing farmlands into their natural ranges, which has resulted in conflict. Elephant herds have been known to invade farms and villages, goring or trampling any people who stand in their way. 500 deaths a year are brought on by an elephant's single blow, which can be fatal. 3. Saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, 1,000 deaths per year. The saltwater crocodile is another dangerous aquatic animal that you should stay away from. Although crocodiles as a whole kill about 1,000 people annually, most human deaths are opportunistic and are not usually the result of deliberate hunting. Yet, one of them that is most likely to view people as prey is the saltwater crocodile. In addition to being the largest known living reptile and crocodilian, it is swift, aggressive, and menacing. Males can reach 6 meters in length and 1,300 kilograms in weight. They can also go at 18 miles per hour while seeking prey through the water. All of this adds up to the likelihood that you won't make it out alive if a saltwater crocodile has picked you for his meal. 4. Ascaris roundworms, Ascaris genus, 2,500 deaths per year. Here, the killer is a parasite. That is an animal that harms another, a host, while living on or in it. Instead of only being the vector, like mosquitoes, the roundworm in this case is the parasite. Unfortunately, this typically occurs when food or drink is tainted by human feces. Ascaris roundworms are spread when a person unintentionally consumes their eggs. The worms settle in the small intestine and depend on the body to survive, feed, and procreate. Ascariasis, the ensuing illness, causes fever, swelling, and pain in the abdomen, as well as shortness of breath, and it kills about 2,500 people annually.
5. Scorpions, Scorpiones order, 2,600 deaths per year. Venom-producing creatures can be among the deadliest. Animals that are venomous directly deliver the toxin by a bite, or in this case a stinger, as opposed to poisonous creatures which exude toxins. Scorpions create venom for the same purpose as many other species, to subdue or kill their prey, not people. Yet, if you're unlucky enough to get in contact with one of the 25 species of scorpions, their venom can be fatal to people. When scorpions are unintentionally trodden on by bare feet, or when they are lurking in people's shoes, stings frequently result. Instead of using it as an assault, they employ it as a defense mechanism against being trampled. The average annual mortality toll from scorpion stings is about 2,600. 6. Assassin bugs, Reduvidae family, 10,000 deaths per year. Another insect that causes illness and death by its bite is the aptly named assassin bug. This alleged true bug of Central and South America disperses Chagas disease, a tropical parasitic illness that kills roughly 10,000 people worldwide each year. The species that do this are sometimes referred to as kissing bugs because of their proclivity to bite people's faces while they sleep. Charming. 7. Saw-scaled viper, Echis carinatus, 138,000 deaths per year. In terms of mortality, the poisonous saw-scaled viper holds the title as the deadliest snake. As snake bites can result in up to 138,000 fatalities each year, snakes rank highly on the list of the deadliest animals. The saw-scaled viper is a particularly ferocious species, making it more lethal than the inland taipan, which is actually the most poisonous, but also shy, Oxyuranus microlepidotus. The saw-scaled viper should be feared due to its aggressive character, strong venom, and prevalence in densely populated regions. 8. Freshwater snails, gastropoda class, 200,000 deaths per year. You might be surprised by this. It is estimated that freshwater snails cause more than 200,000 fatalities annually. This is due to the fact that they serve as hosts for dangerous parasites, particularly flukes, which are parasitic flatworms. Up to 24,000 different fluke species have been identified, and the majority of them are molluscan and vertebrate parasites like ourselves, like snails. Schistosoma is a particularly terrible one that is spread by freshwater snails. Flukes develop and reside inside the snail before being released into the ocean. The flukes penetrate the epidermis, contaminating the fresh water, which then infects people. This causes schistosomiasis or snail fever, a fatal disease that affects humans. This parasitic disease is regarded as the second most devastating in terms of social and economic conditions behind malaria. 9. Humans, Homo sapiens, 431,000 deaths per year. Humans are the most harmful animal, apart from insects, notwithstanding the misuse of the phrase. With an estimated 431,000 deaths annually related to homicides, humans are by far the deadliest mammal. In some respects, the development of sophisticated weapons that we use to murder one another is a result of the fact that we are capable of employing more advanced tools than any other species. Not to mention the damage that human activity has done to the environment, which has resulted in climate change, which is already considered to be to blame for more than 150,000 fatalities each year. A few of the many ways that climate change affects human health and safety include the standard of our water and air, the safety of our food supply, and the frequency of natural disasters. 10. Mosquitoes, Culicidae family. 725,000 1 million deaths per year. The best example of a small animal making a big difference. Mosquitoes are by far the leading cause of human deaths, accounting for between 725,000 and 1 million fatalities annually. But that doesn't imply that these tiny insects intend to murder on purpose. Mosquitoes frequently act as disease carriers rather than immediately killing. This suggests that while consuming human and animal blood, people unwittingly spread infectious diseases, such as germs, viruses, and parasites, from person to person. The disease spread by female Anopheles mosquitoes that causes the most fatalities is malaria, a parasite infection. Due to its widespread prevalence and lethal nature, this disease has had a huge impact.